Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is under serious selling pressure. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold, we had a different picture. Gold was trading somewhere around here. We discussed about the breakout above 3441. Market did not go there. We also discussed about a minor breakout above 3429. After going for 40 pips, the breakout failed. Okay. We also discussed about a selling opportunity below 341819. To be honest, okay, when I was discussing about 341819 selling opportunity, I also mentioned higher is because this move, this selling pressure, okay, we were not ready. Nobody knew about this high selling pressure, and we can see that the selling pressure is still going on in the market right now, and the trend of the market has also changed. If we look at the higher time frame, then this was the all-time high of gold, almost 3500, but around 3450, okay, market has faced resistance for quite some time. This time we felt that market would be able to break 3450 and head towards 3500, but this time also market failed. We can see that the sellers around 3450 are pushing the market very high, and we have a good amount of selling going on gold right now. So yesterday the trend of the market was bullish, and today we can clearly see the trend of the market has changed and it is bearish right now. Remember a couple of days ago, every day was a new trend. Okay, so we are mindful. Sorry, we are also confused right now. What is going to be the next trend on gold by tomorrow, day after tomorrow? But as of now, selling pressure is there on gold, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. So we have been discussing about the support around 337570. Remember, we have been discussing about this support level. No, 7671. Yeah, 337671. Market has taken support already, and market made a high of 85. So we already got almost a bounce of 100 pips here. So this level has done the job. In a high selling market like this, okay, getting 100 pips bounce from a support is also a big thing. Market, okay, this level has done the job, and we can see that the buyers around this area are still trying their best. But if the selling pressure continues, then obviously at one point the buyers will surrender and market will go down further. So if you have already taken a buy position, try to exit after uh, after 70-80 pips. If you have not, if you have already exited, no need to enter again. So during the day, if market drops again, okay, the next support on the chart of gold will be around 336063, the purple box here. We are considering this zone here because the previous same logics, previous resistance will act as the new support here. Okay, so this level, okay, may give us a quick bounce of 60 to 70 pips if market takes support. But during the US session, we also have a news, not a major event, but if the selling pressure on gold increases, then obviously drop the idea of buying and try to continue with the sell only. Okay, and from this current level, if market tries to go up, for the bull run or the upside to continue, we need gold above 3400. If market breaks 3400, then you'll get the idea that okay, gold has done all the naughty stuff. Now gold is ready to go up again. So if gold breaks 3400, we can buy again. But as of now, the market is bearish. As long as gold is trading below 3400, market will be under pressure. If during the day, if market goes up, we can look for a sell around 339495 area, and also we can look for sell around 3385 area as well. 3385 may be a high risk zone. Okay, so observe the market. If you see that the next candle is a big green candle, and obviously selling at 3385 is okay, not a good thing. But if you see the market struggles around 3385, market is showing price rejection from above, then we can look for a sell, because the 100 moving average will become the new resistance here. And we are considering 339495 because this is the level from where market dropped last time. Okay, and if we draw FIBO here, okay, if we draw FIBO here, we can also see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So on the chart of gold, we do not have any strong levels. So if you are looking for some very good trades, strong trades, then the levels that we have right now, or just we discuss, are not very good ones. जो भी discuss किया इतने अच्छे नहीं है. Okay, because the chart is like that only. But during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure with big red candles, follow the trend of the market. That is the best solution. But if market remains like this, then you can look for a buy around this area, sell around here, sell around here. And for the upside to continue, gold needs to break 3400. As long as gold is trading below 3400, जब तक 3400 के नीचे है, pressure on gold will remain. Yesterday, trend was bullish. Today, the trend is bearish. This is gold. And if you're wondering why it happened, Abhilash, okay, then you can see gold holds drop on trade optimism. Gold hovered below 3390 per ounce on Thursday, holding on to losses of over 1% from the previous session as optimism over further trade deals between US and key partners weighed on the metal safe haven appeal. So market was quite tense regarding the trade tension, okay, because market was uncertain regarding the Donald Trump's new policy regarding the trade deals. But as new deals are getting signed between USA and the other countries, okay, the yellow metal, the gold, is losing the safe haven demand. So this is the reason, okay, we can see. But as we all know, okay, gold is crazy. Okay, gold is always like that only. And if anything drastic crazy happens, I will update in the Telegram community. Okay. And if you still have not joined, feel free to join the free Telegram community for timely updates analysis. The link will be in the description.